place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. I'm going back to the table, and all they saving us for the stable friend of mine. Cause they know all this time that I was out my mind, thinking you were the one, that it was love, feelings were strong. I should've known, I should know. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for a lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah, yeah, that's impressive, how much you're messing with my feelings in my heart. Oh, yeah. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, baby. Could be good, then you fade, then you fade. No, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, no, you don't care, baby. Could be good, then you fade away. I don't know what I was thinking, let it be more than drinking and going back to your place, never to see you again. That was simply delusion, followed up with confusion. That was just substitution for your lonely bed. So that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart, in my heart. Yeah, that's impressive, how much you're missing. My feelings in my heart. Oh.
Alright y'all, so obviously I am finished styling this wig and this is what I got. If you're interested in the details and specs and all those good things about this unit, then please continue to watch. So the unit that I am rocking was sent to me by SHEIN. Shout out to you, SHEIN, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. So the wig that I am rocking is their transparent lace loose wave 4x4 closure wig. I do want to go ahead and mention this is 100% human hair, okay? And I do have it in 28 inches. And if I'm not mistaken, they did send me 180% density. And as I stated, it is a loose wave wig. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on the site so I can give you guys some more details and specs. Yeah, it is. So it has on here that my particular wig is 28 inches. The color is black. And I will say I don't feel like it has any brown in it. Like it does look to be like a one, well, it's a little lighter. So it's not jet black, but I would say it's like a 1B. That's what it's given to me. It says it's 28 inches. I have it in 180% density and it's a 4x4 closure. So I'm gonna go ahead and click on the site, and on the site it says transparent lace loose wave 4x4/13x4 lace frontal wig. It comes in 150 to 180% density and it is in the natural black color. It is pre-plucked hairline and it is available in 12 to 28 inches, all of those being even numbers. And as far as the description of this wig, it says the hair color is natural and black. So I guess you can get natural or black, I don't know. The color is black. The origin is Brazilian hair. It says it can be perm, dyed, or bleached. It's a lace front wig. It's loose wave. The lace color is dark brown. I don't feel like it's dark brown. I feel like it's transparent lace in my opinion. Full or natural. You can get either the natural, which is 150, or the full, which is 180, which is what I have. So with this wig, I did bleach the knots. You guys know I am on that kick. I did feel like the knots needed to be bleached, but I do feel like you can use your bronzer or foundation or whatever you use to also cover those knots. I am just bleaching these days. Okay, so as far as tweezing, I didn't feel like it really needed tweezing. I already knew the style I was gonna do, so I guess it would depend on the style that you're trying to do, but I think it came pre-tweezed pretty good in my opinion, honey. Okay, I'm no tweezing expert, but in my opinion, it did come pretty good. Now, I didn't layer this wig because I felt like it came pretty layered in my opinion. As far as shedding and tangling goes with this unit though, I did not experience any of the things straight out the packaging. That's not to say, oh girl, won't, but straight out the packaging, I did not. Even when I was brushing it, because I did brush the curls out, the waves out, and apply curls. I love a loose wave wig with some curls, and I use my bigger curling iron, but I also really like it with my really small 1/2 inch curler. Not curler, curling iron, because it really gives that really tight curl, and it looks really good on loose wave wigs in my opinion. I wanted the body wave aesthetic without the body wave wig. Like, I love a good body wave, but in my opinion, the curls last longer on a loose wave than a body wave, in my opinion. Y'all let me know what y'all think down below. But yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs go with this unit. As far as the cap size, I feel like it is an average cap size, but I will say you have to loosen up that band, child. I had to loosen up my band. This is the type of wig you can definitely wear glueless, completely adhesive free. I had to loosen mine up good because I was starting to get a headache. Like, I have had this happen to me a few times with glueless wigs, and the band is too tight and I started feeling nauseous. Have y'all ever felt that? It's not a good feeling. So I had to loosen the old girl up. But in my opinion, because of that, it lets me know this wig will work across the board. Whether you have a really small head, a medium head, or a large head, it seems to be able to work across the board, in my humble opinion. And yeah, that is pretty much it as far as the details and specs. If you're interested in my pros and cons, well, it's for 360, then please continue to watch. So we're gonna start with my cons, because you guys know I like to end on a high note, and I really struggle with the con, and the only con I can think of is the fact that it has those little line things. I don't even know what you call them. Whenever you get a closure, sometimes you have that little thick line thing, and nowadays I've been seeing a lot that wigs that don't have that, but this one did. And really, can you see it good? Like, can you see it? So it's not really a con, but I wanted to give you guys something, so that's gonna have to be the con. Now, as far as my pros with this wig is I love that it's loose wave. I love that it's a closure, because you guys know I live for a closure. I love that it came pre-tweezed, and I just love the overall style of this unit. It was very easy to style and do, and I love all the things. Okay, I love all the things. Yes, I would obviously recommend this wig. I think this wig is a look, I think it's a vibe, and it's affordable, which is most important. So not only is it beginner friendly, it is also pocket friendly, okay, and lazy girl friendly. So yes, I would obviously recommend this wig. Alright y'all, so I'm gonna go ahead and give you guys a full 360 so we can wrap this thing all the way up. So this is obviously the unit in the front. So this is obviously the unit in the front. This is it on the left side. This is it in the back. Keep in mind I am 5'4". And this is it on the right side. So that is my thoughts and opinions on this unit. Y'all let me know down below what you guys think. Let me know if you are feeling it as much as I am, because I definitely am feeling this wig. Sound off down below in the comments what you guys think. If you guys are interested in purchasing this unit, check down below in the description box. I have the direct link to the wig for your convenience. Once again, shout out to you, SHEIN, for sending me this unit and sponsoring this video. I truly do appreciate it. And yeah, girl, that's all. That's all. So if you like this video, give me a thumbs up. If you have any questions or feel like I may have left out, feel free to comment down below. And if you're not already subscribed, girl, click that subscribe button. It's not costing not one red cent. And if you're not already following me on all my social media platforms, I am Disastrous Beauty on both IG and TikTok. I'm helping me see on Snapchat, and I'm Disastrous B on Twitter. And I will see you love bugs next time. Bye.
Your love completely got every styles and weekly disaster. past your